Display toast messages to the user at the bottom, top or center location of the screen. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's use this package Flutter Toast to display toast messages within our Flutter app. Therefore, I have created here an elevated button, which you see here on the right side, Show Toast. And if we click on this button, we call here this message Show Toast. Inside of it, we can then use this package to display a toast, and here you can then define a message and also the size of how big this message should be displayed. Let's try it out. So here we have then a toast message displayed, and the cool thing is that this message is displayed globally, so even if you close your app, you see still this message. So when should you use toast messages? Normally, toast messages are used by the operating system for displaying messages. Within your own Flutter app, you could use them for displaying app-wide messages, such as if I now click here on this button, you see successful update to a specific version, and this is an app-wide message. On the other hand, we also have SnackBars, and they are always displayed if it is related to a user interaction, which means if the user clicked, for example, to delete an item within your list, then a SnackBar is displayed about that the item was removed from the list, and you can also undo then the change and also put it again back to the list. So all in all, display SnackBars if it is related to a user activity within a specific screen, and display toast messages if it is for app-wide messages that can be displayed on any screen. You can also change the location of this toast message, so you can display it, for example, at the top location, then it is displayed here. You also have here center and center left and center right, so you have here many options, and by default we have then bottom, which is then here displayed at the bottom. The user cannot interact with a toast message, so you cannot click on it, you cannot swipe it away. However, what we can do is we can also call here Flutter Toast Cancel, and now if I click on Show Toast and then on Cancel, it will immediately disappear. If you like, you can also specify the background color and also the text color of your toast. So here I have now a red background color, which we have here defined. Let's also build our custom toast message, and therefore we create here basically a new widget and we give it then a green color. And here inside we supply then here a text and an icon, which are displayed next to each other. If you like, you can also put it here inside of a box decoration. You can supply some padding so that we have some space around. And here within this box decoration, you can also make it rounded. Next, we want to display this widget-based toast message, and therefore you need to take here this time another approach. So you need to create first of all an instance of your Flutter Toast package. And secondly, you need to initialize here then this toast, and therefore you need to have a build context. So in case you want to display here widgets as a toast message, then you need to have a build context, otherwise it is not working. And now I have created here two methods, show bottom toast and also show top toast. And here inside we can then basically call our instance, which we have created here at the top. And inside of this child widget, we simply put then our toast inside that we have created before. Let's try it out. So here we display then our custom toast message, which we have created with this widget. And you can also display it here at the top location, exactly what we have learned before. So you can also display it here at the top location. This time, if a toast message is displayed and you go outside of this app, then it is not global. So this widget-based toast message is not global. And finally, if you like, you can also precise here the position of your toast message. So you have here this position toast builder, and here with this positioned widget, you can then specify where it should be displayed. So in this case, 150 pixels away from the top. So let's try it out. So here 150 pixels from the top of the screen, it is then displayed. You can also change it. So for example, 250, and then it is displayed more at the bottom. If you now click here multiple buttons, then the message is queued. So I don't need to do here anything anymore. And you see it is still continuing displaying the toast messages. In case you want to remove the queued toast messages, then you can simply call here this method. And now let's try it again out. So I click here on multiple buttons and then I click here on remove, and then you see that we are not displaying any toast messages anymore. And by the way, if you want to get here this whole source code of this application, then you can get it with the first link in the description. and with the second link you can get access to my Flutter courses where I teach you how you can become a better and more efficient developer. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.